my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good and having a really wonderful day. So in my last video, I shared with you my morning skincare routine and I also gave you the options of different skin products for all the skin types. In response to that video, I received so many messages and requests on all my social media handles asking me for a more affordable and budget-friendly skincare routine. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a skincare routine which is simple and effective but at the same time more affordable and easy on your pocket, where each product costs somewhere around 200 to 300 rupees, which I believe is within the reach of everyone because skincare is for everyone after all and should not be limited to a certain sect of people. And in case you want to know the products which I personally use, I will link up that video in the description box so that you can check it out. I will also link it in the iCard above. And now without further ado, let's get into today's video. So the first step in this skincare routine, as expected, is a face wash or a cleanser. This step helps to remove all the excess oil and the dirt from your skin. Now there are so many face washes available in the market, but the problem that we generally face is that many of them dry out our skin. You don't want that. Even if your skin is oily, you don't want to dry it out. So there is one good choice that I have for you. If your skin is oily, combination or acne prone, then you could try out Neutrogena Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser. This is a glycerin based face wash. That's the first ingredient of it. So it does not dry out your skin because glycerin has that hydrating effect. So it does not dry out your skin, does not stretch it too much, but at the same time it removes all the excess oils and the dirt from your skin. So this is a good choice to make if you're suffering from acne or even if you have too much oil, open pores, etc. Now if your skin is dry or normal, then you can go for the simple face wash. Again, it is very affordable but at the same time very powerful and enriched with so many wonderful ingredients like vitamin B5, which leave your skin feeling squeaky clean and soft. I mean, you feel good after using the simple face wash. So go for it if you have normal or the dry skin. The next step obviously is a moisturizer. Now I'm skipping the toner or the serum in this because it's a very simple kind of skincare routine. Basically, it's not mandatory to use a toner. If you want, you can go for Irem toner, which I have described in one of my previous videos. But it does have some fragrance, just keep that in mind. And if you're a teenager, you don't really need this serum because your skin cell turnover is quite high. You can just invest in a good moisturizer. So I'm skipping a toner serum at this stage. And you can directly go for a moisturizer enriched with all the wonderful ingredients. So one of the moisturizers that I'll be suggesting to you, if your skin is oily, combination or acne prone, then you should go for Oriza Skin Repair and Restore Moisturizing Lotion. This is a wonderful moisturizer being enriched with so many magical ingredients. It has got ceramide, which you might be knowing helps to keep your skin repair barrier intact. So if your skin is sensitive, you can still try it out. It also has cholesterol, ethyl linoleate. It also has vitamin E, caprylic, triglyceride, aloe vera extract, squalene and so many other magical ingredients which help to keep your skin hydrated for a prolonged period of time. Besides that, it is very affordable, very economical. If you look at the prices of the moisturizers which are also there for the oily combination skin, like for example, if you look at Excella, if you look at Acrofi, which is another choice for you, but they are in the range of 450 for a quantity of 50 ml, whereas if you look at this is 100 ml for almost 480 rupees, which I last checked on Amazon, that was the price. So this is double the quantity of what other moisturizers offer. So this is really affordable. If you calculate it for 50 ml, it's around 240 rupees. So this is economical, but at the same time it delivers all the great ingredients which help to keep your skin moist and soft for a long period of time. So this is a really nice moisturizer if you're looking for something affordable. Now if your skin is normal, not sensitive kind, then there is another good choice that you can make, and this is Minimalist Sepi Calm 3% Plus Oat Moisturizer. This is a nice moisturizer, does not have any harmful ingredients. It is free of any fragrance. By the way, the one that I just suggested, Oriza, is also free of any kind of fragrances. So this one is also free of fragrances. There are no silicones, no parabens, no essential oils, no dyes and no sulfates. But if you are acne prone, then don't go for it. It might break you out, even though it's lightweight and they claim that you can use it on oily acne prone skin. But I have seen some of my friends breaking out with this one. It may or may not work for you if you have acne or combination skin. So be careful about that. Other than that, it's a really good moisturizer. If your skin is normal, then you can go for it. It does provide you a good hydration. Maybe you can use it in the night or even in the morning if your skin does not have any kind of sensitivity. If you get any breakouts or pimples, then you can try out the Rensa gel, which is water based, which has aloe vera, which is water based, but it also has aloe vera, and it has another wonderful ingredients, niacinamide. Niacinamide is an ingredient which I have talked about in so many of my videos, and it really does its job. It helps to dry out your pimples or any breakouts that you might be having. Within 2 or 3 days, it removes any minor breakouts that you have. Again, if you have a serious kind of acne which is hormonal and keeps recurring, you can't provide any product to give you a long-term relief. But externally, this is a good thing to use. Now coming to the next step, as expected, it has to be a sunblock. So if your skin is normal, then there is a good choice for you. Then you can go for Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. It has got an SPF of 50+. It is PA+++, which basically means that it protects you against UVA as well as the UVB rays of the sun. It is very lightweight, it soaks in very easily onto your skin, it does not leave any white cast. So basically it is a good sunscreen, but in the humid climate, you might find it a little oily or greasy on your skin. So in that case, there is another choice that you can make, that is Lactocalamine Daily Sun Shield. This is meant for oily skin, but if you feel that Neutrogena does not work for you, or if in the humid climate you feel that your skin is getting too greasy, then you can try out Lactocalamine. This again has SPF of 50 and it is PA+++. So it protects you, it offers a broad spectrum protection against all the harmful UV rays of the sun. It has got several great ingredients. It is water based, so it does not break you out, but it does have a slight fragrance. So if you don't want fragrances, then this may not be a good choice for you. And now coming to the last step, that is using a lip balm. So one of my favorites is the Himalaya lip balm, which is very affordable. And if you want a lip balm with sun protection, then you can go for Himalaya Sun Protect Orange. It comes in an orange color, but when you apply it to your skin, it is completely transparent. It does not leave any color on your skin. And that's about it. So if you have any additions or suggestions that you want to make to this skincare routine, do let me know in the comment section below. Or if you have any ideas what you want me to talk about in my future videos, you can comment that as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and you got some takeaway products for your skincare routine from this video. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.